Hello all. I want to first introduce the course myself and use this video as a starter. And I come here when you log into the course, you click here, and by clicking here, you will see the syllabus, and of course, you will see the link in here that is you access this lecture and therefore that is where things get started. And then first I also want to use this opportunity to introduce myself in case, although I have introduced myself in the course content, but still I'd like to introduce myself in here. And my name is Sayed Merkani, and I am your instructor for this course. And this is an interesting course for business students and even non-business students. And it's a great course for those who want to start their own businesses or they want to help others who have businesses and to improve their efficiency. And also, even if you are not, it gives you involved in any business, it gives you an excellent idea as what it takes, what are the, to start a business. And therefore, it's a very productive course, and we want you to spend time on it. And hopefully, you will learn as much as possible. And therefore, after discussing this, I want you to, let's see if I can open the syllabus as well while we are here. And I click allow. And as you see in the syllabus, you see my name, you see my contact information. There are different ways of contacting me. Even if the syllabus is not here, is the syllabus. Great, it opened up, and here is the syllabus, and it shows that entrepreneurship summer of 2020 and my contact information, textbook. We are giving you a free textbook. It's a courtesy of Benetton Foundation, who gave the college some money, and a private donor who put some money and to make sure everybody has a course. And these are the course outcomes. And there are the grading system is that there will be some assignments from textbook, 20%. Class participation, that's what we are posting on the discussion board, 10%. There will be some certificates you will get, very fun, very easy. We will tell you what they are. We will help you to write a business plan in the future chapters. And for now, we are not, working on that business plan for 2, 3 weeks. And then I will put some lectures and I will ask you to put the summaries of these lectures. We will talk about that in more detail. And therefore, these are other information. As you know, this course runs for 10 weeks. July 24th is the last day of the class. Now that we know about the syllabus, we come here and we come here, and if email and contact information is not is a great place to also look at. You can send me internal email. You have seen this screen. When you click there, you can send me internal email, and of course it comes in here. And every day I check this one, and I will respond. You respond back. And also you can contact me in different ways. And you can go to your email, college email or personal email, to send an email to my college email. When you send it to my college email, it comes right in my cell phone. I get it instantly. You can also call me, reach me on my cell phone, and I get it instantly. Or you can even text me, and I get that one instantly. Therefore, these are the way that you can contact me. Now, let's see what is in course content. And as you all know, if you want to see your grades, you can come here and click on grades. And now I click on course content here. And we come to week 1. And if you look at here, I have made 5 weeks, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 available. You won't see week 6 on your screen. And I click on week 1 and see what is in week 1. When I click on week 1, there will be a video here. And guess what? I have been using PowerPoint to lecture. And just my goal is to utilize PowerPoint, but some of you might have problem downloading or watching the videos I have put on the PowerPoint. If you, because of the internet connection, If there is problem with that, don't worry about it. Don't get this, because I will change the posting on PowerPoint, posting my videos on PowerPoint, and I will use a YouTube. As you are watching the YouTube now, and you don't have any problem, watching this video that I am putting. Therefore, the video I am using now is by posting on YouTube. But there are some videos I have posted on PowerPoint, and I will tell you what it is, and you will, after you go through this, you get some ideas. Now we have a discussion board every week, and this discussion board, this week we have two discussion board. One is for our introduction. If I click there, I have introduced myself. Here you go, I click there, and you see that I have introduced myself in two ways. One of them is without the video. Therefore, you can click there and you can see my introduction. And also, I have posted a video of myself also, and that is where I say that how to watch this. When I click there, and it says that I have attached a video of myself. And then I have attached, and then this video is in here. Look at here, it's a huge video, 104 megabytes. It took even 2 minutes for me to download this video. Therefore, it is 5-minute video, 104, 2 minutes. I live in Hardy County, and I have a fast internet connection. Therefore, when you try to download it, it might take, mine took almost 2 minutes. Therefore, if yours takes more than 2 minutes, don't worry about it. We are not going to post videos on YouTube. It's just for me during the first week to test how the YouTube works. How the PowerPoint and lectures on, and then to see that the lecture, how I am introducing myself. I downloaded this one on my desktop, and let me see if I can see it on my desktop. And video Sayyid chapter 1, maybe it's the Sayyid video introduction, 5 minutes. Let me see if I can pull that one up. And here it is. You see my picture and you see a screen, but you are not able to see the video. To see the video, you have to click here. And then, okay, that's my video. And I am going to get that one out. And as I said, you do not need to be worried if suddenly these videos that I have put in YouTube are a kind of challenging as in terms of, because I am going to put another video for those of you who won't be able to watch these videos. Therefore, don't be disturbed if you suddenly see these videos a little bit, long and takes long time to download. As I said, I will put some videos on YouTube. That way you can watch those YouTube video as well. Now, I come here and I will click on course content again. And I go to week 1. And as I said, here, week 1, as you see, you go here and you introduce yourself. You click here and you click create thread, you introduce yourself. Either post a video of yourself, or just you can type here. I have typed for those of you who don't like, it might take you just to introduce myself and tell what I do. I click on course content again, and I click on week 1. And I come here, and every week we are going to have a discussion about one of the topics. Here is a PowerPoint. One of the things I saw in this PowerPoint is that when you are involved in entrepreneurship, you can reap impressive profits. I like that subject. I posted that with some explanation. Look at here. And these are my explanation for that subject. Therefore, I want you to go and find one of those after you watch the videos, after you got some information. I want you to go and type on, click on reply to that message and post about one of those bullet points, and also respond to at least one student. That is one of the assignments for the week. Another one, we have 2 other types of assignments here, and one of them is chapter 1 videos and chapter 1 assignment. If I click here, and this is a video for chapter 1, I have put it in PowerPoint. This is video for chapter 1. Again, this is about slides 1 through 9, and then these are slides 9 through 17, slides 1 through 17 through 26. And then after you watch these slides, I want you, these videos, I want you to write a summary of these videos, what you watched in here. Watch the above videos and write a summary of the videos. Total of 1 to 2 pages for all 3 videos combined. Means you don't need to write more than 1 or 2 pages of videos. And then also there is another assignment here for you. And this assignment, it says that watch the videos above here. And then read chapter 1. On page 33 of the book, there are 14 questions. Answer those questions and submit here. Therefore, this is one of the assignments you have for this week. These videos, each one of them run for 15 minutes. 3 times 15, 45 minutes here, where video summary will take around, let's say, 30 minutes, to type 1 or 2 pages. Therefore, total of 1.5 hours here. And this takes about 1 hour. Now, usually, as you know, students, when they take courses, they sit in a classroom for 3 hours, and also they go home and spend 6 hours on assignment. Therefore, this is one of the assignments. There is another assignment for this week, which we call it HP certificates. And here it is, HP videos assignment for week 1. And when I click here, it says that it is an 8-minute video that explains how to do it. It sends you to the Hewlett-Packard website. When you go to Hewlett-Packard website, it's written courses in here. And when you go here and you click register, here you click login or register and then here for this week, we have, this gives you, HP gives you certificate in communications, in a small business. These are very short videos. And each one of them, to get this certificate, it takes 30 minutes. To get this one, 30 minutes, usually 30 minutes to 1 hour. Therefore, to get this video, if each one of them takes around 45 minutes, it takes about 3 hours to get these certificates from HP. After you get these certificates, you put them in a zip folder, and then you can come here and click here and submit it. Therefore, this week, I want just to introduce you to the course. And as I said, I am going to I'll make sure that, as I said, some of you might have challenge opening these videos in here. Because it might take a little bit longer time to download them. They are in PowerPoint. And for that reason, I am going to have put the same videos here on YouTube. In case if you have problem opening this video, at least you can see it on YouTube. But for now, my goal is I want to make sure that you are able to watch those videos and write the summaries of those videos. And therefore, that is about the course. And if you have any questions, you can always reach me and I will work with you. It will be a fun course. You will enjoy it a lot. And we will talk. Have a good evening or day, or anytime you watch this video. And Kenneth Starley.